Hey guys, so we're here replacing the kitchen sink faucet. This thing's like pretty old. It's real hard to move. The handle broke off. So we're going to install this nice Moen single handle and some new quarter turn shutoffs as well. So that's what we're doing right now. Anyway, let's see.
Bigger next size bigger than that.
Watch out for rust.
Won't go up on there.
Oh,
Right.
won't slide up there. Nope. So you're gonna have to use a basin. Can you see right up there?
Yeah, right. It's basically trying to spin this.
Well, you just spin it until it breaks. Sometimes I have to do that. It'll just snap.
Well, I mean, one of us need to get a wrench on there while one of us hold it.
Oh, what? You mean if there's trying
Well,
to...
it's just slipping. Yeah, it's just slipping around.
Well, no, you gotta grip it. Can you see it right?
I can see just fine. See.
You don't get your rust in your eyes or something.
There it went. Oof.
I knew it would.
Well, that'd be toughy.
Yeah. It's easy, everybody did it.
Well, if they just do it plastic. Probably gonna stock it on it now.
Yeah, they're getting more and more into the plastic. Is this the one?
One of these.
Okay, guys. So here's the one we're installing. Adler. It's a Moen. It's a nice one. It's got the spray on the side. Okay guys, so it seems like these might be flipped around the wrong way. So what we're going to do is hook on the old supply line and run water and see which one's hot. Make sure we hook it up the right way. Sometimes when they rough these in, they don't realize that the hot is supposed to be on the left side. And so if that's the case, we just need to switch the lines feeding it. Okay, so I'm having him run hot in the bathroom. We're on the second floor, so once he gets hot, then I'll test and see if we're getting hot here. But they had the lines crossed already on the old faucet. So we're going to turn this on and see if we get hot out of here. Okay, it's hot. So whoever roughed this in, they put the hot on the right instead of the left. So the cold's over there. Anyway, guys, if you ever do it, rough these in, make sure the hot goes on the left side. I know it's kind of a rookie mistake, but I guess we've all made it once in our career. Wait, let's spin it up here. Where's my channel locks at? while it dries. Didn't mind putting a wrench on it. Okay, here's a new one. This one I'm just going to hold in my hand. Go ahead, Sonny boy.
Centered.
That's good up here. Yeah, that's good. Do this on the camera. Kind of comfortable. Wait a minute.
Everything first or this?
The threads go up. Wait a minute, that's not sitting down in there. Right. Hold on. Okay guys, so it seems the quality of this type of faucet's not doing too well right now. It's all plastic. This part just pops on here. Not too happy. Alright, climb under there. I'm going to get that tightened in.